Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey to explore the enchanting Namba Yasaka Jinja Shrine right here in the heart of Osaka, Japan. This hidden gem is steeped in history, adorned with breathtaking architecture, and offers a peaceful escape from the bustling city. So let's dive right in. Before we delve into the fascinating history and beauty of Namba Yasaka Jinja Shrine, let's talk about how you can get here. The shrine is conveniently located in the Namba district, and there are loads of train lines and stations all around it. If you're coming from the north side of the shrine, you have a few options to get here. You can take the Osakametro to Namba station using either the red Midasuji line station number Men20, the pink Senakina line, station number S16, or the blue Yosabashi line, station number Y15. If you're taking the JR, you'll want to get off at JR Namba station. Coming from Kobe or Nara, no worries. You can take the Hanshin Namba line from Kobe or Kintetsu Namba line from Nara and hop off at Osaka Namba station. Now, if you're coming from the south of the shrine, you'll also find convenient options. Just take the Osaka Metro and disembark at Daikokucho Station, either using the red Midasuji line, station number M21, or the blue Otsubashi line, station number Y16. Whichever route you choose, it's a simple 10-minute stroll from any of these stations to reach the shrine. Easy peasy. Another great way is to take a scenic walk along the Dottenborg Canal, a popular tourist spot. The shrine is just a stone's throw away from this famous landmark. You'll find this clear transportation map within the Namba Yasaka Jinja Shrine transportation tile under the itinerary section of my travel plan. It's perfect for planning your trip or using it on the day you travel. I'll be sharing this detailed travel plan for free in the final video of my Japan trip. Now that we're here, let's learn about the history and background of Namba Yasaka Jinja Shrine, also known as Yasaka Shrine. It was established over 1300 years ago and was originally located near Osaka Castle. However, during the Meiji era, it was relocated to its current spot in Namba. The shrine is dedicated to Susanoo, no Mikoto, the Shinto deity known for his adventurous spirit and his role in calming the stormy seas, believed to protect the city and its inhabitants from disasters. It has become a place of worship, offering blessings for prosperity, health, and good fortune. Today, it remains an integral part of Osaka's culture and traditions. Take a look at the mesmerizing architecture. Namba Yasaka Jinja Shrine is renowned for its distinctive lion-like structure called the Lion Dance Stage or Shishi, Noen. It's an impressive sight with its intricate details and vibrant colors. Legend has it that if you stand in front of the lion's head, it can suck up bad luck and bring in good luck. So, folks who want to boost their business, studies, or careers come here to worship. The shrine also features a mix of Buddhist and Shinto elements, showcasing the religious diversity of Japan. The blend of traditional wooden structures and intricate carvings will leave you in awe. The main hall, or Honden, showcases a beautiful blend of traditional Japanese design and intricate woodwork. The vibrant colors and meticulous craftsmanship are truly captivating. As you wander through the shrine, you'll find numerous statues and emma boards, wooden plaques for wishes, that add to the charm of this sacred space. So, what can you do at Namba Yasaka Jinja Shrine? Well, apart from admiring its stunning beauty, you can participate in traditional Shinto rituals. You might want to try Omikuji, where you draw a fortune slip that predicts your luck for the future. A lot of people write imas to pray for blessings, and the ones at Namba Yasaka Shrine have lion heads printed on them too. Also, make sure to witness the Shinji ceremony if you're lucky enough to visit during one of the shrine's festivals. They've got Summer Festival in mid-July and Tug of War Shinji Festival in January. The shrine is usually open from 6:30 a.m. in the early morning until 5 p.m. in the evening, and the best part is that entry is free. It's a perfect spot for a quick visit, taking around 30 minutes of your time. After that, you can check out other cool attractions nearby, like Tutankaku, Kizu, Ichiban Market, and Team Lab Botanical Garden. It's a good idea to plan a day to visit all these places together. We'll be featuring some of these attractions in our upcoming videos, so make sure to stay tuned. We highly recommend using a one-day or two-day Osaka Metro pass to visit these attractions, as it gives you unlimited rides on the Osaka Metro and lets you explore the city freely at a low cost. If you want to learn more about different money-saving travel passes in Osaka, Kobe, and Kyoto, be sure to check out these videos. See you later at our next fascinating tourist spot in Osaka. Thanks for watching.